Hello students, today in trick number 141 we are going to discuss an amazing method through which you can find whether a given rational number has a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal. Now this method of finding terminating or non-terminating decimal of a rational number is normally done using division. If you divide the numerator by denominator, you come to know whether a rational number is having terminating or non-terminating decimal. For example, say if we have 37 by 4, so you have to divide 37 by 4, 4 9s are 36, 1.0, 4 2s are 8, 2, 0, 4 5s are 20, so the remainder is 0 now, so 9.25 terminates, so this has a terminating decimal. Now without division we can find out whether 37 upon 4 has a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal. Now this shortcut I am going to discuss today in trick number 141. The shortcut for this is, what you do is make factors of denominator. Make factors of denominator. So here say denominator is 4. 4 has factors 2 into 2. So if denominator has only 2 or only 5 or both, mixture of 2 or 5 as factors, that implies 37 upon 4 or the given rational number has terminating decimal. Now here 4 is expressed as 2 into 2, prime factors are 2 into 2, so only 2's are there in the denominator, so 37 upon 4 has a terminating decimal. So without division you have found out that 37 upon 4 has a terminating decimal. Now we will take some more examples. Say we have one more example as, say 7 upon 125. Now 7 upon 125, here 125 the factors are 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 raised to power 3. Only 5's are there in the denominator, so we have only 5's, that implies it has a terminating decimal. Say 43 upon 200. 200 has factors 200, 250, 225, 5 and 5. So only powers of 2 and powers of 5 are there, so or both, so it has terminating decimal. Say we have some examples of non-terminating decimals now. Say we have 11 upon 24. Now see, 11 and 24 do not cancel with any factor, they are co-prime. So 24 has factors 2, 2, 2, 3. Now apart from 2 or 5, we have 3 here. So whenever there is a factor other than 2 or 5 in the denominator, which is not cancelling with the numerator also, the given fraction has a non-terminating decimal. So this will be non-terminating. 11 upon 24, when you divide 11 by 24, it will be non-terminating. Say another one. Say we have 37 upon 140. 140 has factors 2, 2, 5 and 7. Now see, 2's are there, 5's are there, but there is a 7. Other than 2 and 5 we have a 7 in the denominator. So again this fraction also has a non-terminating decimal. Now you can see, now this method can be practiced in a very short interval of time. I'll take some more fractions and we will try and find out whether they have a terminating or a non-terminating decimal. Say we have 7 upon 50. Then we have 13 upon 56. See, I have listed down some fractions for you so that we can practice it here in this trick. 19 upon 200, 51 upon 300, 187 upon 88. Now first of all check that 7 and 50 are already in lowest form. 7 and 50 are co-prime. So make factors of 50. 50 is 2 into 5 into 5. So only 2s and 5s. So it has a terminating decimal. 13 and 56. 13 does not divide 56. So make factors of 56. 2, 2, 2 and 7. So apart from 2s we have a 7 here. So it has a non-terminating decimal. 91 upon 200, they do not divide each other. So 200 has factors 2, 2, 2, 5 and 5. So only 2s and 5s. So it has a terminating decimal. 51 upon 300. Now see, 51 and 300 are not co-prime. Actually there is a common factor 3 between them. So we need to cancel out that common factor first. So 17 3s are 51 and 100. So 17 upon 100 are now co-prime. Now make factors of the denominator. 100, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So only 5s and 2s now. So it has a terminating decimal. Similarly 187 upon 88. Just check. 187 is divisible by 11 and 88 is also divisible by 11. So we can cancel out 11 as the common factor. 11 is the 88. 11 17 is the 187. Now make factors of denominator. 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2. So only 2s in the denominator. So it has a terminating decimal. Likewise, you can work on this and find a number of examples where you can find just by looking at the fraction whether the decimal will be terminating or non-terminating. So keep learning, keep sharing and subscribe the channel if you like it.